Paying a credit card bill with another debit card is a convenient option for those who do not have sufficient funds in their primary account. To begin, ensure that your credit card issuer allows debit card payments. You can find this information on your credit card statement or by contacting the issuer's customer service. First, gather the necessary information, including your credit card details, debit card details, and the payment amount. Next, visit the website of your credit card issuer or open their mobile app. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the payment section and select the debit card option. Enter your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Verify that the debit card has sufficient funds to cover the payment amount. Now, enter the payment amount and select the payment date. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is accurate. Confirm the payment and wait for the confirmation message. You will also receive an email or SMS notification once the payment is processed. It is essential to note that some credit card issuers may charge a fee for debit card payments. Check with your issuer to avoid any unexpected charges. Additionally, make sure to keep a record of the payment, including the date, amount, and debit card used. Paying your credit card bill with another debit card is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can ensure timely payments and avoid late fees. Remember to always review your account statements and transaction history to stay on top of your finances.